अस्सलामुअलैकुम व्यूवर, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो फ्रेंड्स, सबसे पहले भाइयों को अस्सलामुअलैकुम। जो भाई नए आए हैं चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें ताकि बेल आइकन को ऑन कर लें ताकि मेरे आने वाली लेटेस्ट वीडियो सबसे पहले भाइयों तक पहुंच सके। तो फ्रेंड्स, बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए चलते हैं टॉपिक की तरफ। जो आज का हमारा तो टॉपिक है वो है एस्बेस्टोस एंड मेसोथेलिया इन यूएई। तो फ्रेंड्स, बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए चलते हैं टॉपिक की तरफ। तो करते हैं टॉपिक को स्टार्ट। इन एस्बेस्टोस इन द यूएई, एस्बेस्टोस मैनेजमेंट, एस्बेस्टोस रिमूवल, एस्बेस्टोस सर्वेज। Could the UAE become the first asbestos-free country in the world? With a strong communicate from the government, could the United Arab Emirates UAE become the first country in the world to eradicate to delay materials and declares ultimate presence declare in the push by of late. There has been a renewed push by many governments around the world to eliminate of the presence of asbestos within their borders. In the United Kingdom, UK members of parliament have been pushing for all public buildings to be free of asbestos within the next 40 years. With strong communications from the government could be the United Arab Emirates UAE becomes the first country in the world to eradicate the deadly material and declares its territory asbestos free. In this blog article, we explore if this is possible and how it could be achieved. Asbestos was banned in the UAE in 2006, and although there is evidence that asbestos is still being imported, used inside the country in small amounts, there is less asbestos per buildings than can be found in the similar properties in the US or Europe. There are several reasons for this, including the climate, buildings, heating and cooling systems, construction dates of existing buildings, and the volume of raw asbestos and asbestos containing materials ACMs that have been imported into the country over the years. Additionally, due to the relatively small populations, approximately 10 million people, there are significantly fewer buildings percents in the Emirates than for example in the UK. Even the style of buildings are architecturally different from those found in the US and Europe, with many buildings being high-rise towers. This leads to less rooftop space, a common location for ACMs in the Middle East, and less chance of the occurrence of asbestos cements. Roof sheeting. The most common ACM is the Middle East asbestos, including board AIP in the form of asbestos ceiling tiles, asbestos pipes, insulations, and asbestos vinyl floor tiles, typically found indoors, are much less common in the Middle East An episode-free country of Emirates certainly seems achievable. The first steps to achieving an episode-free nation would be launch a campaign to educate the public and private sectors on the danger of episodes and publicize the UAE goals of becoming first episodes to the free country. तो फ्रेंड्स, कैसी लगी आपको मेरी ये वीडियो एपिसोड्स MS सुलेमिया इन UAE। तो इसी तरह का कंटेंट एपिसोड्स MS सुलेमिया के रिलेटेड आपको मेरे चैनल पे मिलता रहेगा। तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा दोस्तों को इनवाइट करें कि इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को भी ऑन कर लें ताकि मेरी कोई भी वीडियो भाइयों तक पहुंचने से मिस ना हो और आने वाली लेटेस्ट वीडियो सबसे पहले भाइयों तक पहुंच सके और भाइयों की रहनुमाई हो सके। तो फ्रेंड्स, इंशाल्लाह मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर। तब तक के लिए खुदा हाफिज़।